guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with a plan with me in my monthly B6. This is going to be a mock plan with me. I wasn't going to film this, but I just wanted to, since I was going to be playing with these sheets I made it a 2-page little kit. I'm not sure if I will sell this. If it's up and you're seeing it, I will be selling it, but I just made it to try it out, and I will, if you see this, I will probably do a one-time release to see how it does. I'll probably compare it more in the to the numbers of personal kits, because we do sell personal monthlies. I'll just put that down like that. So that is the sidebar. I actually didn't use this art for June, but I was just wanted to look at something different. So I decided to use this art, which was last year's, I think, March mystery. And then I tweaked it and I re-released it and called it Spring Break. So as you can tell so far that there is a sidebar. There's also this little flag. I kind of did this kit a lot based on the personal kit. The personal kit is only 1.5 pages. So this is 2 pages. So that is that. And I know a lot of people use characters in here, so I didn't want to go too crazy or anything. So I'm going to use some of these full boxes to mark out the days that are not in the month. So I think I'm going to do, which one do I want? I think I'm going to use this one because I like the pattern more. So these are 3 boxes. And for this one, so what I did was because the monthly lines are kind of thicker, I made the box, everything just a little bit bigger than I would normally. Normally I try to make everything kind of fit inside of the lines. But I feel like that becomes hard whenever you're lining things up. So for this one, I decided to make everything fit on the lines. And I feel like it turned out really nice. Everything's gonna be very seamless. And if you mess it up a little bit and kind of tilt it to the side, it's not gonna show the white on the side, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna put one of the boxes up here. You can obviously use these in the spread and then use washi or something to mark out the days, or if you don't even want to mark out the days, you don't have to. And then I'll mark out one on the bottom. So you get 6 full boxes, and they're in a seamless way. So they're all 3 are, there's no line in between. Then right here you have a washi strip, which you can use wherever. So I'll put it on the 14th to the 16th, and it's sized for 3 wide. And then you have the extra box here. There's 2 movie marquees, which I did something I've never done before and put actually a little pattern in the background. I thought that'd be something cute and different. So I put 2 of these in. I know you guys really like them in the personal. They are also going to be in the June monthly kit because I did reformat that a little bit. I think 2 pages are different now. And there's also going to be a little freebie in there along with the other normal strip freebies. So there's that. And I also made the cuts around these a lot bigger, so they're going to be a lot more they're going to be easier to cut. So you got 2 of these movie marquees with different pattern backgrounds. There are 4 quarter boxes. So these are the ones in our ultimate kit. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit more. My nails are so grown out. I'm going soon. So you got the 2 patterned movie marquees. You get 4 of these. I love the spacing of this kit turned out perfect. You have 2 of these, 4 colored quarter boxes. Then you have these little strips here, which you use for marking off a day. Or I know a lot of people use munchkins and things. So you could totally put this on here and then put a munchkin over top of it and use it a little mini label. Or you could use it a little mini washi piece. And as you can see, I kind of put it so it's on the black lines rather than inside of it. Then you get 6 of these patterned half boxes. So that's what these look like, and I really love these. I feel now I need to redo the personal kit because I have so many ideas, and I love the way this one ended up being formatted. So you have 6 of those, and then you have a little bit of deco, which I'll go into at the end. You have in this strip here, which is sand. I did do individually cut strips because sometimes it's nice to have one that's long, but sometimes you just want to kind of build it, so you can totally just, rather than having to cut a bunch of stuff, you can just pull these little strips here. Again, great for also layering behind a munchkin, just to give a little something and pull in the kit a little bit. So you can line those up, and there are 5 of those there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a little box here just because I had a little bit extra space. It wasn't big enough for me to put anything really on it. But I just figured if I had the space. And then I did do 2 sets of the mini icons. These are actually a little bit smaller than the mini icons that are in the monthly, just by a hair, just so I could fit all of them on there. But you can do whatever you like with these, and they're in 4 different colors. So you have 2 sets of icons, and then you have the 2. So these are 1 set in 1 color and 1 set in another color. And then I also added these to the monthly. I took out the other mini events, which let me know if you guys want to see these in the So Much Crafting inserts, because I mean the personal kit that's for the So Much Crafting inserts. And I didn't know if I mentioned this, but this is the B6 monthly TN. And I really like these flags. I think they're super cute. I put them in the monthly kit because a lot of people said that they didn't use the mini events anymore. They were like big back in the day, I feel, but now they're just kind of like, I feel like they're just old news. So these are really nice, and these are going to also be in the same size in the monthly kit. So you have a bunch of those. I didn't really show you like which ones, but you have like bill due, payday, cleaning day, hair appointment, birthday, mani-pedi, and then their date night, and then there's a bunch that have multiples. So like there's multiples of the bill due, multiples of the paydays. But I'll obviously have a picture of this whenever I post it. I think I will post it because I think I like the way this turned out. And then you have the deco, which you can totally like sprinkle, you know, on the top. But I think I like the top blank. I don't know, actually. Maybe I would like the top with deco, because I feel like I would probably do this with a lot of like munchkins and stuff. And I'm probably going to do this more as a rewind, because my B6 is more of my rewind planner. So I'm kind of also curious, like, should I like back make these? Like, I think I might, just because I want them for myself, to like back plan the rest of the year, because I am back planning in my B6. Another really cool thing is if I use kits that are in the shop, you can use like your extra deco in here. Which is what I kind of plan to do, is to like, after I'm done with spring break, I'll just pull some of that deco in as well, just because there wasn't a ton of room, and I wanted to put a little bit of deco in, but I didn't want to kind of like overload it with deco, you know? So I'll put this one in here. So I just did some, this is like itty bitty little deco. Like this reminds me back like in the personal days, very tiny deco, but I feel like it's a tiny spread, so that's where we're at. So get yourself some tweezers, or you have really good skills of putting things down. So that's everything in the little B6 monthly. I mean, I think I am going to list these just because I think they're so super cute. I think that it would go really adorably with some character stickers, which I feel like is how I'm going to do it. And if you guys want me to make them, like back plan them, I might either back plan them or just look for somebody else who has like ones from the rest of the year. But if enough of you guys want me to make like previous months, I definitely will. So just definitely let me know in the comments down below if you want me to make the ones for the year. I mean, you could always also, like, if you really like it but you don't want to back plan or you already have it, there's nothing in here that is like year specific, so you could definitely use this like any year. So if you wanted to, like, let's say buy this one but you already have a June one, and you wanted, oh, it looks so cute, that little mini icon in the quarter box, and you wanted to use it next year, you totally could. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. This has been like one of the most requested items recently, so I figured I would give it a shot, and I really like the way it turned out. I love the way, I don't know if you guys are like me in the fact that you like how sheets are laid out, but I feel like this like layout is like so aesthetically pleasing. The only thing is I kind of wish I would put the flag over here just for aesthetics, but then this wouldn't have been like a row lined up. So I kind of guess like the way it is. So I think this turned out super cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if I should, I don't even have my B6 with me. Let me know if I should list older months, or if you guys want me to start with June, or you may start with May. Let me know in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.